Obviously you want to make sure, check all your plastic pots and make sure that there's nothing that you can't explain. This is just a paper gasket. Because the other one was stuck on so much that I had to shave it off, I'm going to do what the old guys used to say, and that's just smear a thin bit of oil around both sides before you pop it on. Make sure that this clutch pin is there, because that can fall out. Obviously it goes without saying that it should drop straight down like that. If it's kicking up or you can feel something under it, you'll feel the spring on the end of the oil spinner if you're really gentle. Find your pot, which says clutch cover, so I know that this is for this side. Like I say, you can tell when if it's the wrong one, because that's gone all the way down, look, so there's nowhere for it to fasten. All the bolts should stick out about the same, which is, picking that short ones up. It's half an inch, 10mm or so. See, like that one, that's sticking out way too far. So I know now that that's one of the short ones. There you go. I think it's going to be the same with those two. Now those two are need the bracket for the clutch cable. Right, so they're all sticking out about half an inch. Well, I think so. I'm just going to put a couple of spaces on there now because I don't think there's enough room. I think they bottom out. Okay, these are 8. So basically, just run them all down till they touch to start with. That's why I like this T-drive. It's brilliant for this sort of thing. Okay, so now they're all down. Now, what I like to do is just do it finger tight. So I'm just going to give that one a tweak, and then this one, and then I just go around following. It's clockwise but opposite, and that way you don't forget which ones you've done. So that's all. Whoops. So now they're all finger tight, if you like. That should have seated the bracket. I haven't looked at what the torque setting is. Probably 10 or 12, no doubt. I'm going to do 10. Always go around and double check them. It's very easy to miss one if you can't remember, like me, which ones you've done. Yeah. So, okay. So that side. Time to turn it over. They always say don't pick it up with these, which is fair enough. But if you hold it at the base, I can't see you're going to do any great damage. Turn it around. I have to say it's getting heavy now. Right, thanks for watching, and if you found that useful or interesting, you know what to do. See you in the next one.